Welcome to Kiddos. Learn about the farm animals. Cows. These are cows. They live on a farm. They are black and white. They say moo. They like to eat grass. They give us their milk. They have two horns on their heads. Let's review. What are these animals? They are cows. Where do they live? They live on a farm. What color are they? They are black and white. What do they say? They say moo. What do they like to eat? They like to eat grass. What do they give us? They give us their milk. Welcome to Quiz Night. What am I? I live on a farm. I like to eat grass. I give milk. Guess, what am I? A hen, a cow, a dog, or a horse? Yes, I am a cow. Moo. Great job! Here is a star for everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.